Top CapCut editing tips and tricks in 2022. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use CapCut in the most amazing and to its max potential as possible. So let's get right into it. I'm going to show you all the amazing tips and tricks and you can use them as you please. So first of all, I'm going to show you the most amazing feature has ever been given in any editing software that has ever existed. So what is it? Let me show you. So we're going to go on text and we're going to add a text to the timeline. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a text. For example, games are the best. Now, as I've written that, I'm going to go to text to speech and look at this. All these different voice operators that you can choose which will say whatever text you have written. So for example, let's go to serious female and
games are the best. Games are the best.
Look at that. It said games are the best in a serious female voice, or we can even go to cute boy voice.
Games are the best.
As you can see, it said it in the voice of a cute boy. So this is one of the many amazing features that I'm going to be showing you today. So let's go to another feature. Let's delete the text. Let's go to another feature. Another feature in CapCut that makes your life in video editing so much easier is that you can overlay two videos in one. For example, if you want two videos to play at one time, you're going to take those two videos and you're going to put them on top of each other. And then you're going to come here. You're going to click on the video that you want to decrease in size or overlay. And then you're just going to do this and crop it down just like that. And look at that. Two videos simultaneously in one go. And I'm just going to put this here for the preview. And we're going to go back. We're just going to go back here. And once we play it, look at that. There are two videos going once, as you can see. So another feature that CapCut provides us with is that you can make different types of jump cuts if you'd like to. I'm going to show you that real quick. So what is a jump cut? Jump cut is when the video zooms in immediately and then zooms out immediately. So let me show you what it is. What we're going to do, you're going to click Shift B. You're going to click Control B. What that will do is it will split the video in two parts. And now we're going to Control B again, which will split it. And now we have our jump cut. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this clip that we have made for the jump cut and we're going to increase the size and we're going to increase it to whatever we'd like. So let's increase it to this. Basically, we want the audience to focus on the hand on the little girl. So this is what it will look like. And there we go. That's the jump cut. And then it goes back. So this is also something that you can use. For example, if you're a YouTuber and you want to engage your audience, then jump cuts are so important for you. And CapCut is the device that you have to use for your videos. It's the best device you can use. So let me show you another feature, which is, so let's do more effects. So CapCut also allows you to change the size, as I just showed you for the jump cut. This is just one of the features. You can also change the position of your video. You can take it left or right, or if you want to, you can take it up or down, as you can see. Or if you want to rotate it, you can even rotate it. So this is also another feature. You can also change the opacity of the video as one of the effect panel features. If you go in the audio section, you can change the audio of your video. You can fade in the audio at whatever time you like. You can fade out the audio at whatever time you like. You can even use noise reduction. For example, if there is little grain in the background, you can use noise reduction and that will reduce the noise in the back and make your video more clearer or smoother. And you can also add voice effects in your video. For example, megaphone, lo-fi, vinyl. It just makes your video sound a whole lot better. Then if we go on speed, you can use this to increase the speed of your video. For example, I made it 7x and the video, as you can see, goes very fast. So that is another feature. We can also tell the video if you want the pitch of the audio to change or not. And if you go in animations, we can see that we can add different animations in the video that we want. So for example, I want to add shake. So I'm just going to double click and shake is going to be added, as you can see. There you go. And shake, all these animations can be used in various ways. And obviously this is an in animation. You can also use outro animations like fade out, rotate out. And then there's a combo like a slick and wave. These are basically your basic TikTok transitions that you can use. Now if we come on the left hand side, there are many elements in the features that you can use on the video, like vector art, like sticker art. For example, if you want to make a birthday video or an alert video, you can just click on this and look at that. The element gets added on top of your video. The downside to this is that you can't really move the element. The element stays there. So that's the only downside. But apart from that, it works out good. So we're going to click on the element and here we go. The element is added to our video and look at that. We can add it anywhere we want and it will stay there throughout and it will be animated, which is a great feature. And all of these elements do the same. Then if we go on effects, in the effects panel, we can see that we can use different effects for our videos, like a rippling effect. If you do that, we're going to go back here. We're going to add the rippling effect. And once it's added, you're just going to go and look at that. The video starts rippling. How amazing is that? So now let me show you what the transition section and the filter section has. In the transition section, it's mostly like the animation section and the video section. So I'd rather prefer the video section in which they have the animation panel. I'd rather use that. But if you want to save some time and see more crazy effects, you can just come here and look at all these amazing effects that you can use for your video. And if we go on filters, we can find different types of filters for our video. For example, if you want some different type of coloring, we can use these. And these are all the different genres and moods that we want to set in the video. So these are also amazing features. And then there is the Giphy library, which provides a material of GIFs and stickers. So for example, if you don't like the stock stickers that CapCut provides you with, you can go on Giphy and get whatever you like. So yeah, basically this was the CapCut tips and tricks. So I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guides for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later and goodbye.